Hey guys, hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you MuVid. MuVid stands for music and videos. Okay, so it is a music library as well as the video library. Okay, let me show you how this tool works firstly, then I will tell you the additional stuffs about this tool like the bonuses, like the general bonuses, semi-exclusive bonuses, the sales page and every other stuffs. Okay, so let me start with the product. The first thing is the dashboard. Inside dashboard it is a very normal and simple dashboard with all tracks, text to speech, music library and video hosting. So text to speech is the most highlighted thing for me or the most noticeable thing for me. Let me click on the text to speech output. So inside the text to speech section you can type anything you want, like you can grab any post from internet and you can paste it here. There is no limit. And inside the front end, if you are watching, there is the limit is the 3000 words, but inside the upgrade version there is no limit. So you can type or you can paste anything you want, and you can say the voice, like I am typing I love you. Okay, so for the example I am typing this short word and I am just clicking to make it a file. So inside that file it will give me the male Joey version and male Justin version, Kevin version, Joanna version. All versions are there, but I am using the English US and standard voice, not the AI voice. So I just typed I love you. So it is taking a little bit time, but this is not okay for me. Like if I love you takes that kind of time, then you can think of that a big text will take so much time to give you the output. Okay, so it is a drawback or it is the bad thing of this tool. Okay, so next thing I wanna just leave this thing because it is a time killing or time annoying. It is a very annoying thing. Let me show you from this section that this tool will cost you only $17, and if you have the coupon codes, there are some coupon codes. Basically those will be launched by the owner, and sometime it can be launched or sometime it will not be there. Sometime there will be no coupon codes. You have to get it within $17. So the maximum price for the front end is $17, and you can also use a coupon code to get a discount. So I think it should come now. So it has not come now, so let me just use the reload, and inside reload I hope, let me try another time. Let me just type here toy, and this time I will choose the AI voice, and let me click on synthesize to file. So toy is also taking time, that is why I wanna click the reload again. And next thing I wanna show you the music library, the most focused thing inside this app. The app is built on focusing on the music part or on the music library part and the video stock footages part. Let me show you the musics. Let me click on play. So it is not playing. I don't know why it is not playing, but it should play here. Inside the demo video, if you watch properly the demo video, it is playing here very good, and I have played some of the musics previously, but it is now not playing here. So that is the thing, I don't know why it is not playing, and also the text to speech is not working properly. Okay, so next thing is generate music. Inside the generate music section you can use the generate music, like using the AI version you can use this regenerate option, and with this regenerate option only you can create your new music. Next thing is the video generator. Inside video generator you can search any of the videos, like if I search here the bee, it will give me the videos of bees, and that is the thing, a very simple thing. Inside the video hosting it is totally another like apartment, you can say, and another section or genre. Inside this section it will open up inside a new dashboard. The video hosting will open up inside a new dashboard, and it will allow you to use the screen recording feature, the 20,000 plus stock assets, thumbnail creator, and and upload video also. You can use it for drive purpose, like upload video is the drive purpose section. You can upload your videos and you can also embed those videos anywhere you want, any of your websites. That is a good thing. Also the screen recording feature, the 20,000 plus stock footages, that is also coming inside the $17. So I will suggest this product or this software for them who really need it, and that is the thing I want to say. I strongly recommend this tool. Like so many stuffs are coming inside this $17. That is an amazing thing for this tool. The best thing and the good thing also, let me tell you that there are so many unlimited stuffs. There is no counting after the front end. Okay, so that is also a good thing. So this is the demo video. For more details you can check that. The front end pack will be coming to you with these stuffs. And next thing is the benefits of this tool, and next thing is the some frequently asked questions, and next thing is the funnel. Like after the front end, if you are satisfied with this tool, you may purchase the upsells. So I have mega bonuses for you for the upsells, and that is the best thing I can do for you. Okay, so let me show you now the bonuses. These bonuses will be given to you totally free, though I am telling it very casually, but the bonuses are really valuable. You can see here from every field the bonuses are coming to you. The alpha app, the extreme app, and also whiteboard, the best passive online, this is a video course, internet retirement system, and also the urgency creator software. So you can check out here. The email marketing stuffs are there also. So that is the best thing from my side. And inside the vendor bonus there are some bonuses, but those are also valuable. Like total 10 bonuses will be given to you from the vendor bonus as general bonus, and from vendor also the semi-exclusive bonuses are coming. So inside the exclusive bonuses section you will be given total 6 stuffs. Okay, so all total you will be given 16 stuffs from vendor and 29 plus stuffs inside the front end from my side, total software. And also if you purchase the upsell you will be given 400 plus stuffs. That is the best thing I can give to you. So the stuffs will be consists of software, plugins, loop music, high quality graphics, doodle character images, miscellaneous products with resale rights. So that's all I want to say. There are some buttons on this page. You can click any of the buttons to visit the sales page. This is the sales page of this tool, and after the sales page, after going through it, you can check out the tool. Like you can click any of the buttons on this page, you will be redirected to the payment gateway, and from there you can get the tool within just $17. So that's all. That is the thing I want to say, and I think I have convinced you. Bye bye, have a good day. Thank you. This is me, Charan Sarkar, signing out for this video. Bye bye.